take out the dark colored yarn. Wrap the yarn in the same way, forming a loop. After twisting it tight, insert the crochet hook through this loop. Pull yarn through. First, chain 1 CH1. Then go back into this loop. Pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull through. This is 1 sk. Mark it on here. Need to crochet 6 sk. Tighten these 2 strands. Six sk. After finishing, you can count the stitches. Then tighten the loop. Go back to the first stitch position and saul saint. After pulling through, pull through again and tighten. After the saul street, chain 1 CH1. Then still go back to the first stitch, which is the position of the stitch marker. Place this yarn over the hook to hide the tail. 1 SC, mark it. Mark on this SC here. Don't mark on the saul street or the turning chain. After the first SC is done, in the next stitch, crochet 1 SC ink. This is the first set. Repeat for 3 sets here. First crochet 1 sk, then crochet 1 SC ink. This is the second set. This is the third set. After finishing, pull this loop a bit tighter. Then push it out from inside. This is theirs. Then all saint to the first stitch. After the saul street, chain 1 CH1. Cut off a little bit of yarn tail here. First, put it aside here, then crochet another one in the same way. After everyone finishes crocheting, be sure to count these stitches. There should be 9 stitches total. After finishing 2, need to CC. First, yarn over. Took out the one crocheted earlier. Then insert hook into the marked stitch position. Insert into it. Pull yarn through, just like this directly. Pulling the yarn through from the inside like this. Leave a bit of yarn tail outside. Then chain 1 CH1. Then still in this same stitch. This yarn tail should be placed over the hook to hide it within the stitches. First crochets. This is the first sk. Don't worry about these 2 strands. They could be hidden inside later. Continue. Just crochet 1 SC into every stitch. Crochet 9 sk. counting while crocheting. Then go back to the first stitch, L straight and tighten. Chain 1, CH1. This is row 3. The center of this circle is row 1. Row 2, row 3. Crochet up to row 5 in total. Row 6. Crochet up to row 6 in total. Each row, the last stitch and the first stitch must be joined with a sole saint. Then chain 1, CH1. Then continue. Mark it here. Continue crocheting. We've reached row 6 here. That one is the starting position. It's puffed out. Just poke it back in. Everyone can count. This center, row 1, row 2. Here is row 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. After finishing, leave a long tail. You can stuff a little bit of filling inside here. That's enough. This completes the first foot. The second foot. Crochet in the same way. Crochet up to row 6 in total, and each row has 9 sk. I will repeat the demonstration here. After finishing both feet, continue to crochet the hands. The hands are the same. First, take out the dark colored yarn. Wrap the yarn. Chain 1, CH1. Then crochet 6SC into this. After finishing, tighten the loop. Directly as L straight to the first stitch position. Then chain 1, CH1. Fasten off. This is the part for the cord. Crochet 2. After finishing, take out the light-colored yarn. Then at the first stitch position, which is in the stitches where the sole saint was made, pull yarn through and chain 1, CH1. Then in the same stitch, crochet 1 sk. Mark it. In the next stitch, crochet 6SC here. Okay, count while crocheting. After crocheting 6, ignore the rest. These are the turning chains and sole saint. Then go back to the first stitch. Sol Saint. Must tighten it, then chain 1 CH1. Pull the one inside. After pulling, leave this aside for now. Crochet 1 more row, then hide it inside later, then the first stitch. Also crochet 6. When crocheting this row, be careful not to catch those yarn tails. Hold them down with a finger. After crocheting 6SC, sew straight to the first stitch. Be careful not to catch this stitch from the opposite side. Tighten, then chain 1 CH1. Poke this yarn tail inside. There are 6 stitches. Continue. The dark colored part is row 1. The light colored part is row 2. Crochet up to row 5 in total for row 3. Each row has 6. This is row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is row 5. Sew straight to the first stitch, then chain 1 CH1 and leave it a bit longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. Then in the same way, crochet on the other hand. Take out the dark colored yarn. To crochet the ears. First, wrap the yarn, then form a loop. Afterwards, pull this strand through from the bottom, forming a knot. Okay, insert the crochet hook through this knot. Tighten it a bit. Chain for CH4. After finishing, go back to the second stitch. Here is a V shape, right? Only pick up the half strand to crochet. The first stitch is not crocheted into the second stitch. Go back. Insert the hook. After pulling yarn through, then pull it through the second loop. This is a Sol Saint. Tighten it a bit. Then in the next stitch, also crochet a Sol Saint into the half strand. Okay, after to Sol Saint, crochet an SC into the half strand of the last stitch. After the SC is done, chain 1 CH1. Leave a long tail here. Pull it through. Tighten. This is a pointed ear. In the same way, crochet 2 ears. After finishing both ears, crochet the mouth. Take out the white yarn. Wrap yarn, form a loop, then insert hook through. Pull yarn through and chain 1 CH1. Then crochet 6 SC into the ring. After finishing, tighten. Go back to the first stitch. Okay, pull yarn through. Crochet a SL Saint and tighten. Be sure to tighten the Sol Saint well. Chain 1 CH1. Then still in the first stitch, crochet and mark it. Next stitch, crochet an SC ink. This is the first set. Crochet 3 sets in total. It's the same as the beginning of the foot. After finishing 3 sets, there are 9 stitches total. Push it out from inside. After pushing the RS out, go back to the first stitch. Sew straight to the first stitch. After the sew straight, chain 1 CH1. Crochet round 3. Just crochet 9. Mark the first stitch. After crocheting 9 SC, sew straight to the first stitch. Don't chain 1 here. Then leave a longer tail and tighten. The mouth is finished.